Perfect. Done. Invoice is posted now. So you go to FBL1N and I have the open item like this now.
Yes, sir.
So I have open item 70,000 is there.
Thank you.
Now this 70,000 I want to manually pay, manually issue the check, print the check. Is it clear? Okay, let us go to /n f-58. Okay, let's go right. Go to f-58 and print the check, right? Yeah, no. Now the company code is, what is the company code? Payment method is
001, sir.
payment method. Payment method. Okay, now press enter. Yeah, house bank and check note number matching na? Yes, no problem. Enter payment. Amount is how much? 70,000. Correct. Process open item. Vendor number 38 na? Okay, 38. Process open item. Correct. Now tallied na?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Okay, now this is what is it? Payment with printout process. Payment with printout process. One single go. Okay, so if I click on save now, you see what will happen. The document is posted. Okay, good. Next, enter. Then, it is check is also there. You see? Check. So if I click on the check now, and if I click on the this one, correct, you see? Yes. Is it ready to print?
Yes.
So this we are doing manually or automatically?
Manually.
Now how many checks I can print like this?
Only one.
Only one. Okay, manual. Okay. Understood F-58 concept?
To print out the
Yeah, it is a payment with printout process. Yes, you can use them. Dash. Correct.
So please show it again, sir. Is it only for manual or APP also?
No, this is, in APP you don't need this, no? In APP already you are able to do, no? Correct or not? APP are you able to see or not? Yes, sir. This is manual process. Then I need to create another invoice. Then you click on the process and you select the open item. Is it clear? House bank we have given now. If you want to refill that check, I will show you, right? That is the next topic. Sir, if you are paying in that case, how we can pay that? FCH 5? I mean, using a test with FCH 5. How we can see the check? No, you cannot. That's not really a left 68, no? So that is the payment with the printout. Yeah, that is only payment and without printout. No, this is the payment with printout.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
If the vendor is paying 50,000 cash and 20,000 check, sir, how we can, take print out of check 20,000 or
ఫోన్
total
చేస్తున్నాను అని చెప్పాను
70,000?
ఫోన్ చేస్తున్నాను ఇదిగో ఫోన్ చూడు అని చెప్పాను
No, no, vendor is not saying we will
Okay,
pay.
ఏమవుతుంది
Yeah,
కానీ
yes, yes, yes.
చేద్దాం రెండు చేద్దాం అయితే బ్యాచర్ బాబు నచ్చింది
In cash purchase,
That's
So
all.
partial
Some
payment
amount.
you will do, partial payment you will do, and then you will issue that check, na? Correct. Balance you will pay through cash or whatever, right? Cash is usually not there. When you talk about company, cash is not there. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now, so next, reprinting of the check we have to. Yes.
So show me note that.
A little bit up. Yeah, this is the old. This one, you want yesterday?
No, actually, today is already late. I thought I missed something.
No. Right. Okay. So those who missed yesterday's session, you can note down. This is the
నా అవునా
APP down payment, right? 100% down payment, partial down payment. Right? How
డబ్బులు
this
ఏమైనా నాకు
is what we have done it.
వాట్సాప్ కాల్ చేయి
They can take out the screenshot. Yeah. Don't worry, I'm not giving them time to note down all this stuff. Okay, done. Next. Printer and printing and reprinting of it. Right? F-5. This we have seen. Next. Next, I want to, the thing is, I want to void old checks and I want to issue reprint new check. How? Okay. I want to void an old check and reprint a new check. Yeah, the key code is FCH7. Yeah, no. The key code is FCH7. So go to,
Reprint means new printer.
yeah, give a new check, print a new check. Okay, so now go to FC. What was our previous check number? 100,115, na? Just now I was able to see. Okay.
పెట్టేసాను
Now FCHN, let me go and check what is the number. Paying company code. House bank is HDFC, account ID is HDFC11, correct? Now what was our last check number? There I can see 04. Last 4 is done. 115, na? Today date is 17, correct? Yeah, 115, correct? Now, /m. Now I will go to FCH7. Go like. Now reprint the check. What is my house bank? HDFC. Account ID? HDFC1. Check number? 115. I want to void. Why I want to void? Any reason, whatever, right? Incorrect wording or whatever. Right now. Check lot number is what? The new check lot number 1 only. Okay, now go to check reprint. Okay. And note down everybody. Note down. Sir, here printer for form LP1, LP01 you have to give or it will
It will come automatically.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, void reason code. Sometimes I am not able to get it, sir.
Why?
I don't know. So 1 second you can do it, sir. Just to you go it like a 16. Is there any like a default option, sir?
STHV you have to do, no? I showed you.
Yeah, sir. No, sir. I have the okay, sir. But I am my doubt is regarding the void check code, sir. 16 top like okay. The drawback I did not get, sir. Like
Drop down if you click, you will.
thank you, sir. I didn't get that right.
Okay, no problem. There is no back, sir, na here. Okay, check out. Okay. So now I am saying reprint. Reprint means what check number it should be now?
115.
116. What is the topic we are discussing? Void old check. Reprint new check. So what number I should get? 116.
116.
I will see it later. Okay. Got it? Yeah?
Sir, what is this LP01?
It's a printer name, na? See, in real time you will have a printer. See, now from your laptop you want to print anything, you should give the printer ID, right?
Yes, sir.
Which printer? Is it HP printer or Canon printer? Some printer ID you have to give, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now we don't have any printer, na? So this is a default printer. In office you have many printers, na? Some printer will be linked to you, correct? Physical ID of the printer. Okay?
Okay.
Now you are able to see, na? This is the check, right? What is my check number now? Is it clear? So 115 has been voided, correct?
So after void we have to go to ST01.
Yes. Full request you have to see, na? We are thinking, correct?
What is the meaning of spool? Is it printing?
Yeah, so in the printer also spool will be there, here also spool will be there. So what you do, after you do the print request, you will walk you have to walk to the printer. And in the printer you will be seeing all the spool, right? From that you will select one and then you print. Correct or not? Yeah?
Okay.
So it will be in the waiting list, na?
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, we have voided 100,155, no, sir. Sir, the mistake is wrong wording. Now we give a new check number, but no changes we have made. For example, my company name or my
That is an example, na?
Okay.
I have 16 reasons. I selected any reason. You can do any other reason. This is just example. So in that case, again we have to make the changes in the form or something, right? Some problem was. In our case, there was no problem, no? But just I have to show you. Correct.
Okay.
One second. Print preview.
Print the preview.
Okay.
This one is the services output control. Yeah, execute. You will get it. Click on it. Right, very good. Now, next topic is our, so I have to close some windows. So many windows. Okay. Now next thing what I have to discuss is, now if I want to reprint the same check again. Okay, suppose now school is gone now, by mistake school got deleted, I was not able to print the check. Now same check I want to reprint again. Okay, no doubt. To reprint the same check again. That is a T code, that is FBZ5. FBZ5. To reprint the same check again, it is FBZ5. So you will go to FBZ5 like this. Okay, so go to /FBZ5. Okay, go like this. Now what is the payment method? Document number is this, dictionary is this, and everything is okay. Now go here, check, print. Now do you want to print the old check or new check?
Old.
Old. Now what is our old check now? What is the old check number?
116.
So same 116 will be printed again. Correct? Let us. So go to System, Services, Output Control. Now you should see whether the date is coming here, right? If it is not coming, it will not operate. Now go to System, Services, Output Control. The date is coming, right? Okay. Now you see, now third, this is the first check. Correct or not? This is 115.
Yes, sir.
This is
116.
116. Now this is
116.
again 116. No? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Let me show you. So first I will start here. This is 115. Correct? Then this is 116. Correct? Now I am expecting to see 116 again. I am expecting to see 116 again. Is it clear? Yeah. So reprint the same check again. Suppose you missed the school or some problem has happened and you want to print it again. Same check, then you have to go through FBZ5. Z5. FBZ5. FBZ5.
Z5.
Yeah, FBZ5.
Okay. We have not given check number.
We have not given check number, right? It will
Document
automatic-
We don't have to
Already we have said now, old check means it is already there now.
So we have given document name.
We have given the document number, yes.
Based on document number, I'll check.
It is coming, correct.
Sir, can you go back?
Go back to where?
Thank you.
This one, huh?
Oh no, one more. So FBZ. FBZ. That's
Sir, now we are in check number like 116.
If we want to reprint the 114 and 113, how we can get old check?
You have to know the document number also.
Oh,
If you are able to know the document number for that check, you can.
yes.
Now where you can see all that SPHN. Yeah, you have the company code, house bank, account ID, yeah, execute. Right, so you have the document number. Yeah. Okay. Right? From here you can pick up. Clear everybody? Yeah. Okay. Okay, what is the next one now? Next thing is our related to our area. Okay, no done. So background noise to reprint, no done. To reprint many checks issued through APP. Okay, to reprint many checks issued through APP. To reprint many checks issued through APP. Okay. Now, how we are going to do it? I want to do it. I want to what it is. I want to cancel, void all the checks issued through APP and reprint new checks. It's clear. Okay, let's do that.
Why it is necessary?
Sorry?
Why it is necessary to reprint?
So either I have given the wrong house bank, wrong variant I have given. Understand?
Wrong vendor also. You mentioned many checks, that's what I'm saying.
Sorry?
You mentioned that many checks, right? That's what I'm
Many APP means many only, na? Many. APP
Is there
means
another keyboard for this?
there is no T code. In APP only you have run by. Okay? Right. So either the variant problem is there or wrong vendor, wrong open item is selected, right? So if you want to do manually, then you can do like this also. APP issue checks also you can do like this. But one by one you want to do, you can do always like this. Yeah, but if you want to do many that have been issued through APP, now it is manually, it is too difficult now.
Yes.
Okay, so that's why we have a process. So now what I will do is, I do not have any open item not to run the APP, right? Okay, let me check FDL1N. I do not have no item. So let me post one invoice FDL. 45,000. Here, okay. Enter and save. Perfect, done. Now what I will do is, I will run the APP. Okay, I give the data 70, then give the identification number 1. Okay, go to parameter. Company code is this. Printer method is A. Next payment. Vendor number is this. Correct?
Yes.
Additional log, due date check, payment method, 9 items. Vendor number is this. Printout data media, variant is this. Click on
many checks. We do one check.
we cannot do no. So if I have to do many, then I have to do many invoice postings and all that. Correct? Yeah. So I will show you for only one. Na? So understand it is for many, correct? Yeah. Okay. Okay, now what it is? So here parameters have been entered. Na? Okay, schedule proposal. Start immediately, create payment medium, enter. Keep on pressing enter. Proposal has been created. Correct. Now edit proposal. You can. 45,000 open item is there. Correct. So now next what I will do? Schedule payment run. Can I print the check without payment run?
No.
Right.
No, but it is reprint now, sir. We already done the payment now.
We have not done. First I am doing the payment now.
Okay.
Okay. Now I am going to issue the check also. Now go to system services output control. Execute. So 45,000 check I have issued. Correct. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now imagine it is not one check, like that I have issued 100 checks from a wrong check log. Okay. Now I want to correct it. So what I will do? I will reverse. I will void all the previous issued checks. In that place I will use a new check. New check numbers. Okay. No, FBZY only one. Na? Only one. Now I want to do for many. Okay. So how I will do that? Okay. So what is that? We have to go to print variance like this. Okay, note on everybody. F110. You go to the print variant. Right? Click on the maintain variance. And at the bottom of the screen, you have an option. Void and reprint check from payment run already printed. Yeah? Note down everything. Reprint check option is there at the bottom of the maintain page. Okay, note down everybody.
Can you type in Notepad, sir? How we need to reprint that Notepad and write on the Notepad.
Okay. So now if we want to avoid background noise, reprint the new check, then go to print variant in F110. Maintain variant, and then at the bottom of the screen
So better to take screenshot for every step.
under what it anyhow I mean the middle na, let me see. Under reprint check, select void old check and print new check. That's it. Okay, no, no.
Sir, these checks are printing for our file purpose only, because banks don't accept this kind of checks, right? It's this kind of.
No, the check format will be.
Hello?
Hello, sir.
Hello?
Hello? Hello? Hello?
My internet issue.
No. Sir voice.
So now
Sir, we couldn't hear you, sir.
Yes, sir. Me too.
okay.
Sir.
So 1 minute, let me check my network.
Here I am.
Oh, it's okay, sir. Okay, no problem.
Other side is Bajaj or
Okay, so I was saying that, okay, background noise please. I was saying that the check which content will be printed on an original check, right? There will be text on that. Yeah, so there will be either it is a digital check, yeah. So end of the day, you have the backdrop of it. On that, this will be printed. Yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt. So, original check only there?
Yes, correct.
Okay, sir. I was thinking, we are keeping this for ourselves because printing.
No,
I
this
have
is
a
only
doubt.
printing, na?
Hello?
You have to print on something, right?
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
One by one.
Go ahead.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes. Background noise, somebody.
Deepak Kumar.
Right, yeah. I have muted him for everyone. Yes, no. Okay, so void and reprint checks for payment run already printed. Yeah, you see this? So here I will take it. Now what is the void and reprint checks from payment run already printed? Now already printed. Now what is the check number 100? 1177. Correct. So if I have 100, I will give like 100, 2 right? 199 or whatever. Yeah, I can give like this. Why I am voiding? I have only one, so I am giving only one. Why? What is the reason I am voiding this check? Incorrect lot insert. Got it? Wrong checkbook has been put. Okay?
On top of that, there is a do not void any check. We need to uncheck that, right?
Yeah, that is for the automatic. Yeah, not now. Yeah. That is a different story. That is for the output control.
That is leaving one check between runs, no, sir?
Yes. That is the form closing.
Sorry, sir, I did not get. That is do not void any check. Leaving one check between, no, sir?
Correct. You are right.
Then what form closing?
What is form closing, sir?
That is form closing.
This is called form closing. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So FCHN, if you see here, you go to T code like this. Execute, you can see this is a, whatever checks have been voided, this is form closing. Correct? Every run, one check which was voiding before, that was for the form closing. Okay now. So now I am going to go ahead with this, yeah? Save. Go back. So now I will do the print run again. I am not doing everything else, right? Only print out run I will do again, okay? Schedule print out. Start immediately, variant name I will give and execute. Enter. So now keep on pressing enter. Now you see system, services, output run. Now again I am executing. So now you see again the check has been printed, right? Okay, what will be the check number now? Let's see.
117.
Correct?
118. Oh yes.
Why do you think 117 I said now? Void old check, right? It's a variant. Did I say or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Understood everybody?
Yes, sir.
So many, suppose if I have printed 100 checks, all the 100 I can void in one go, finish, and issue new check. Is that clear?
Sir, can you please go back?
Go back where?
Actually, here I'm not getting checks actually. While I'm running, just my programs I discussed. I was getting everything. Payment, summary, payment, advance, everything.
Yeah, check format you have not given correctly. So this is the first time you are getting this, or you have already?
No, actually I have done many times. Even I checked with the CHI also. Check mark. There are many checks working. But since money is not getting the check.
Somewhere it is stuck, I believe. We need to see what is the problem. Yeah? Because it was running before, now it is not running. No? Any payment run you have left in the middle, something like that?
No, sir.
That is also.
Everything was fine.
Okay. We need to see that.
Let me check. I'm saying.
Yeah. Okay, check the log now. If there is any problem, it will show in the log also.
No. Okay, sure. Understood.
Okay, understood everybody? So if someone is asking you, how do I void 100 checks I have issued through APC? What is your answer? In F110, maintain variant, at the bottom you have this, correct? At the bottom you have this. So after you have run this, you have to again put the variant back to the form, yeah? You have to remove it. Understand?
So we didn't check out number.
Want to change check lot number, you can change. Then you want the new check to be issued with another check lot, you can change. Now I do not have another check lot, so that's why I carried on with the same. But you can create a new check lot, you can give the new check lot also.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So after you run the variant, you remove it, yeah? So that next run you can run properly, comfortably. For other things. You understood? So whenever you want to repeat, you can take this, change the variant, run it, and put the and bring back the variant to normal. Then you can use it for next run. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is about the printing and reprinting of the checks. Now tomorrow we are going to talk about the DMA process, right? That is nothing but the bank transfer.
Sir, without voiding we cannot reprint the checks in APP.
You can do that also. What you have to do is you have to delete the data. How you can do? You have to go to SPHD. Yeah. So here you have to delete the data. This I don't suggest because there are chances that server will get affected. Okay. So you have to execute this program and it will delete the check information. Then you can, if you run the print run again with the same variant, it will run. Okay?
But we will get new check, right?
You get the not new check, same checks it will print it. Because you are deleting the old data, na?
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
Payment run date you are giving, run identification, a payment method you are giving, and then you are executing it will delete. Okay?
Okay.
Right then, okay guys, we'll meet tomorrow then. Thank you very much.
Can you show me notepad one? It is correct, sir.
Okay?
Sir, wait. Thank you, sir.
Right. Thank you guys, we'll meet tomorrow.